I am making a 2-ingredient cake. 1 package of cake mix. Now, my cake mix is expired by about 9 months, so I'm just adding a little bit of baking powder in case my baking powder is expired in my cake, but you don't need to do that. Okay, I don't know where my measuring cup went, but I need 1 can or 12 ounces, which is 1.5 cups. So I'm going to measure with this instead. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to stir this all together. You can use the mixer if you want.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.
Then we have our pan. Now, I don't count oil and salt and pepper and water in my ingredients with my 2-ingredient recipes because I assume everyone always has those on hand. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the pan. We're gonna bake it. Wow, that looks really good. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, comes out clean. Okay, so you can frost this. You can do powdered sugar. I want to try spreading some jam with whipped cream on top. I don't know. What should I try, guys? I'm gonna let it cool while I'm thinking about it, and then I'll let you know. Okay, it's gardening season, so just ignore that. My clothes. That is delicious. Okay, it is really good, just plain. It just tastes like, I did the yellow cake and the 7-Up, and it's like a light pound cake. It's not as heavy as a pound cake, but it's not as fluffy as a angel food cake. It's kind of like in between an angel food cake and a pound cake. And it tastes like a sugar cookie. Or a butter cookie. It tastes like a butter cookie. Oh my goodness, that is really good. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna try it with a little bit of jam and whipped topping. Okay, so see if we can get something similar. Don't see, I know I can get something similar to what am I trying to say? Strawberry shortcake. Okay, so here we go. Now, what I would do is if I'm putting this on the entire cake, I would make my strawberry jam. I'm going for a strawberry shortcake taste. Now you could put strawberries like with sugar and all that. You could do that if you wanted. Okay. That is absolutely darn tootin' good. Holy cow. Delicious. This one's a winner, guys. I'm not going to do the whole cake because I think my family likes part not cake or part not strawberry. But what I did was I put some strawberry jam in the microwave. And I'm just going to spread it over the top. Now you probably could get by if it was room temperature, I would bet. Mine was just straight out of the fridge, so just like that. I'm gonna let that cool, and then I'll put my whipped topping on and show you what it looks like. So let me cut a beautiful piece. Oops, well, that's not going to do any good. Okay, now you can eat all you want. Okay, I came over to have my taste test. I guess the cake was delicious.
Was this all here?
Yeah,
before?
I'm not quite sure what happened here, but okay.
It got a little stuck right there.
Well, I don't think it's that stuck, is it? It's not stuck.
My shirt has glove on it.
I don't know what happened.
What? Oh, sorry.
Okay. So, I wonder if I should have you try it plain, because actually I was quite partial to it plain.
Were you?
Here. Hold on. Okay.
Ooh.
Try one bite plain and one bite strawberry shortcake style.
One bite plain. What is it?
2 ingredient 7-Up cake.
Mmm. That is really good plain.
Isn't it? I love it with the yellow cake.
It is really good plain. Although, being that
Okay.
I'm seeing Smucker's strawberry jam,
Yes.
Smucker's TM strawberry jam,
Yeah.
and some whipped cream,
So-
I might.
Does this taste like strawberry shortcake? Sort of.
Mm-hmm.
You got whipped cream on your lip. Do I need to kiss it off of you?
Yep, here. Yum, this is really delish. This is
Ooh,
dinner.
It's a 2-bite. It's a 2-bite thumbs up. How do you say that? 2 bites up?
Yum, this is delish.
Yay. Today I am trying something I have never tried before. I'm trying to make biscuits with 7-Up and baking mix alone. Now, when my muffins turned out so good, I was thinking, well, wait a minute. Why couldn't I make biscuits too? Wait, I just put 1 cup. I need 2 cups. So, second, let me get a little bit more pancake mix here. Now, I'm using pancake mix because it has a sweet taste to it, a little bit of sugar. But if you want, you can just use regular Bisquick for a savory biscuit. All right, that's about 2 cups there. Then we'll need about 1 cup of 7-Up. I'm gonna make these drop biscuits, so I'm gonna add maybe about 2 tablespoons more of my 7-Up. Okay, I don't know why this wouldn't work. I think this will work. Leftover parchment from another project, just so that I don't waste it. And I'm just gonna make little balls of biscuits here. Now, if you want to use a scoop, you can. I'm just guesstimating. And of course, you can make these smaller or larger, whatever you want to do. Now, this would be, I think, if this works, this would be really good. Like strawberry shortcake is what I'm thinking, but I don't know. We'll just see. Let's experiment together, shall we? Oh shoot, this one's a little too big. So I should have got the bigger cookie sheet, but that's okay. Just add a little bit more onto each of these. Okay, so we're gonna throw these in the oven and bake them and see if it works. Oh my goodness, those look delicious. Jack, can you yell Dad to bring some strawberry jam up when he comes?
Dad, can you bring some strawberry jam when you come
Yeah,
up?
Okay, we'll have Mike taste test.
Okay, these are 2-ingredient biscuits.
With an interesting looking texture.
It's a test recipe from Tara. Jack says he likes them. He ate a whole one.
Mm-hmm.
They're a drop biscuit, so they're going to be crispier.
They're good. They're a little sweet.
Yes, they're a sweet biscuit.
Yes. I mean, not bad sweet. Just some biscuits are sweet and some aren't.
Yes,
so
that's
that's why.
because I used the sweet baking mix instead of the savory baking mix.
Very good.
I am doing a test recipe with pancake mix. Now normally I use the Crusties, but I have this left over from, I don't know where I got it actually. I got it from somewhere. So I'm gonna do a half a batch because I've never made this recipe before and I'm just making it up in my head as I go along because, well, that's just what I do. Okay, so I've got some pancake mix here, and so what I'm gonna do is attempt to make muffins, pancake mix, and 7-Up. Let's just see how this goes. I don't know. So this is a small batch pancake mix and 7-Up. I only have a few kids home, sort of, right now. So, okay, so I got that all mixed up. Put the lid on my 7-Up and get out my muffin liners. I'm not sure how many this is gonna take. Now, I can use a scoop if I want, but, oh, I forgot the chocolate chips. Now, if you want just plain muffins, there you go, it's 2 ingredients, but optional. My boys like chocolate chips, and I use the mini chocolate chips because it distributes further, so you get chocolate in each bite without the expense. So that's maybe not even 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, probably 2 tablespoons. Okay. Oh my goodness, how quick is that? Wow. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna throw these in the oven and let them bake. Okay, I think they actually turned out. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I should have greased my papers. I never do that, and I should. Yes, it's painting day, but let me give this a bite. Okay, grease your papers, guys. Let me see. Okay, that is actually really good. I'm totally shocked. Tastes just like a chocolate chip muffin. Now, if you want it slightly sweeter, I would add for every cup of mix, I would add maybe 2 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of sugar. But it's actually really tasty. I've never seen anybody make muffins from pancake mix and 7-Up, so there you go.